I went on my Shein app to check in to make my daily points. So they gave me 5 points and now my balance is on 6.67 US dollars. Okay, so now I'm just going to click on the Shein games and play the game for today. As you can see, I have so many levels that have not meshed together. On my last video, Bridget asked me, I've been trying to do the task of adding items, but it is not working. So I'm just going to show you guys again how to perform the task / put items on your chart. First, you're going to click on Go. Once you click on Go, they will show you the collection. You click on Women if you're a woman. Once you click on Woman, you just click that box with the plus sign and then you click on the size and you add it to your bag. That is it. Like literally, you click on the clothes. The next task is to browse the page for 15 seconds. Once you browse the page, they will pay you for browsing the page for 15 seconds. So it's very easy. Okay, so and they give you like 2 times to do the same task. You can put 10 items in your chart to make more money. You can browse the page for 30 seconds. That is one of two. Okay, so if you click on it again, it will still give you, like now I'm going to do the second one of browsing the page for 15 seconds. I thought it was even once, but you can do it twice, okay, to get more points, because the more points you have, the more pets you can buy, and the higher your pet is, the higher money you will make. So I'm going to show you guys how to buy pets. Now I have different pets with the same level. So what I have to do is to merge 2 into 1. You can use 2 pets. If you have like level 1, 2, you will join them together. So let's do that. Now I'm just going to join 2 level 2 and they have given me 3 pets. Okay, so I'm going to join the next level 1 to level 1 again. Okay, so that is how I'm just going to join my pets together so I can have space to buy higher pets. Okay, so I'm just going to join level 1 to level 1 again, and now that will be level 2. Okay, so I'll join level 2 to level 2 and just keep it going like that. Okay, so just follow me in level 2 to level 2, and you have to buy these pets today. Okay, I'm sorry I didn't bring out this video on time live. Okay, so now that's level 3 to level 3 and I have 4 pets. Okay, so I'm going to join level 2 to level 2 to merge as one, or I'll buy pets. Okay, so now I'm going to click on buy. Once you click on buy, they already know which level you stop, so they will just give you the next level. So you just click on buy pet, that's buy pet beneath, and they'll give you the next level. And once you have the next level, you will merge it together. And as long as you have points, okay, if you don't have points or coins, then you can't buy pets. So you have to do tax to get the coins. Is the coins you will use to buy the higher pets you will use to get dollars. I told you guys already, don't dull. Okay, so I'm just going to buy pets. This is my first time buying pets, so just bear with me. Now I'm going to join them together because I need to get to at least level 15. Okay, so let's keep it going, or let me forward it so that you guys don't get bored. I've gotten to level 15 and that is the highest level. This is the account on my second phone. I'm in level 13. I'm just going to merge level 13 to level 13 to get level 14, and now I'm going to buy level 15. which they are telling me I don't have enough balance to buy it. So what do I have to do to get enough balance to buy it? Because I have to buy pets before pets buying time is over. I'm just going to click on tax. They said use 10 points to get 44,000 coins. So I'm just going to click on go. Okay, so once I click on go, I'm going to click on continue, and now I have 44,000 coins. I'll be able to buy level 15. Okay, so now I can buy level 15, and once I merge 14 to 14 together, I have level 15 on my two phones. So once it's time to receive coin, I'll show you guys how much I got for having two level 15 pets. Okay, and one more thing, when I read the rules, let's read it together. Your goal is to train your pets to the highest level possible. Two pets of the same level can be merged and upgraded to a higher level pet. Pets can be trained up to level 15. Each user has at most 9 pets of the highest level. In the end, prizes will be divided according to the level of all pets owned. The upgrade pet time ends on the 30th of October 2022 at 8 o'clock. So guys, you have to go and upgrade your pet today before 8 o'clock, okay? So the time they will share the prize is on the 31st, that is tomorrow at 8 o'clock. So you can check out the rules on your phone once you click on the message icon up there to read everything and understand. Another obvious rule I saw was they are going to give the points, and the points are only going to be valid for 7 days. So I didn't even see this before I started the game, but that's what I saw. If you have enjoyed this video, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to this channel for more of this type of videos. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to use this money you've made from this platform, how to spend it, okay, how to buy things from this website, and they'll bring it for you to Lagos or anywhere in Nigeria, free shipping, as long as you buy up to $50 items. Okay, so thank you for watching this video once more, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. If you want to post your own review of how much you made on the Shein game, you can start your own YouTube channel. Okay, so if you want to start your own YouTube channel, I have a video on my channel that will teach you how to create content without using your face. This video game now, you don't have to use your face, but that is content. Okay, if you watch this my video, you will learn the step-by-step process of how to post your first YouTube video and how to speed your watch hour also. Okay, so watch my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the post notification so you don't miss out on any of my videos, and you get the latest tips and tricks that are in town. Okay, so bye.